Hi friends, welcome to Code Word YouTube channel. I'm starting Python program to practice for beginners series. This is introduction to Python program to practice for beginners. In this video, I'll explain simple program. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Before getting to the topic, a request for you friends. If you are first time visiting my channel and want to learn Python programming language, make sure you hit the subscribe button and activate the bell icon to get notifications. Get into the video. To learn any programming language, we have to practice, right? In this playlist, I discuss mostly used and mostly asked programming questions with solutions. In my machine, I am using Python 3.9.0, that is 3.9.0. Let me show that. So I'm opening my command prompt. So here I'll type Python space colon version. Enter. See here I'm using Python 3.9.0 which is latest version of Python, and I am using Sublime Text. This is Sublime Text. Sublime Text, a text editor, and this is the link of Python official website, and this is Sublime Text link, the Sublime Text official website link. You can use any text editor. I am using Sublime Text. You can use Visual Studio Code or Atom. So I'll give all the links in description below. And if you have any doubt how to set up Python on your machine, in our Codewell YouTube channel, I have made a video on how to set up Python on our Windows machine. I'll give the link of that video in description below. So if you have doubt, watch that video. In that video, I explain clearly how to set up Python on our machine. And if you want to learn basics of Python, in our Codeball YouTube channel, we have Python tutorial for beginners from scratch playlist. The link of the playlist also in description below and above icon. I already told you in this video I'll discuss a simple program. The program is program to get the Python version you are using. Just now I show you the Python version I am using by using my command prompt. See that this is the Python version I am using. I will show how to write a program to get the Python version you are using. First, we have to import a package, a module, that is sys module, that is system module, sys. So I'll import that, import sys, and I'll give a simple text. Is Python version, and here you give sys dot version. That's it. The simple 2 lines code. I'll run this code. See here the Python version is 3.9.0. This is our output. And after you learn Python basics, and if you want to master in Python, you have to learn intermediate topics. In our Codewell YouTube channel, we have intermediate Python programming tutorial playlist also. The link of that playlist also in description below and above icon. Please check that playlist. That's it for this video friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching.